Hello, lovelies. Natalie Cutler-Welsh here from upyourbrave.com. And I was just diving in to do a little bit of work on the Genius platform, which is something I recently started promoting and I recently started using. So I'm a super newbie. But I thought I'd be like, why don't you learn with me? Why don't you jump in? And I'm going to screen share with you as I'm adding a new product to the platform to help me create a social media post that's going to resonate. I've been in business 12 years. My business is called Go To Girl Limited. And I've just usually do my social media, my emails and such on the fly. Like I'm totally not a planner. I literally just type what's ever in my head. And I've never really used AI ever before. So at time of recording, this is Wednesday, the 24th of April, 2024. And I'm more than happy to share my results with you and to see how my posts resonate. Maybe I get more engagement, which is part of the goal. But of course, the goal is to grow my business and have more expansive impact and really call in my ideal people. So here we go. Enough said. And by the way, I will add the link below. So if you want to watch like a demo to the Genius platform, and if you want to use my affiliate link to get your free 3-day trial so you can try it out, I will put that below as well. So here we go, screen sharing. Going into the Genius platform, I have currently added only my forest retreat, and all I did was add the copy from my sales page. So now I'm going to go new product. I'm going to add Empowered Connections Club, and now I'm going to get the verbiage, basically the copy, the words from my sales page, and I'm just simply going to add it in. So I hope you guys are with me and you can see what I'm screen sharing. So I'm literally just adding that in, going back to the page, grabbing a little bit more, wrong one. Here we go. Going back to the sales page for the Empowered Connections Club, which I've got a few more to add to that. Testimonials. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we're going to do this. Copy that. Add that to the testimonial section. So I found this super easy to use, literally copy and paste. I think one of the phrases the girls were using is kindergarten easy. And I was like, I love that because I don't like when tech is too confusing. So I'm just going to copy this as well and add that in. Oh, gosh, please hold. I'm going to add that in. Copy, going back to my Genius. So a little bit of toing and froing. So what you guys can do once you try your free 3-day trial, paste, is you'll do a little quiz, which basically finds a little bit out about you, your values, your verbiage, your mission. It's actually quite a cool process to go through. And then, I think in the trial, you can probably do this. I'm not 100% sure, but if you do want to join, which by the way is 99 US a month. So I think that's super doable for most businesses as an investment in something that is going to save you time and stress, because I know a lot of people get really stressed about like what to post, what to say. I don't want to be pushy. I don't want to be salesy. This way you can make sure that what you are saying is authentic and in alignment with who you are, and doesn't sound like everybody else because it's integrated with your values and everything from the quiz. Okay, so here we go. So now I've done that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to upload an image right now. We're just going to save that. Okay, so then what it does, I'm pretty sure, let's see, is it will create for me now. Now, this is not my copy. This is just basically it's the platform saying, okay, Nat, got that. These are your demographics. This is your core sales pitch. Here are your additional pain points. Here's the metaphor, the analogy. Here's your promise. Here's your product USPs. So isn't that cool? So I'm not going to copy and paste that. What I am going to do is now that I've set that up, let me see if I need to save anything. I don't know. I'll just go save. I'm a newbie. You can learn with me. And by the way, we do have a little training for anyone that joins on my team. We are doing kind of a hold your hand nurture training 4-week thing, which is free. It's included with your membership as such. Okay, so here we go. Let me concentrate on what I'm doing. I am going to say, what do you want to sell? I want to sell the Empowered Connections Club. Perfect. Post about your product. Yes, please. Post and stories, 90-second teaser. I don't know. I haven't explored all of these, but let's just do a super short let's just do that. Let's just do a super short product tease, whatever that is. So I click that. What it does is it creates a post idea for me, including suggested pictures. It says, take a selfie capturing a warm sunset. And sometimes what it does, it hasn't done it here, but what it did for me before for my forest retreat is it even suggested music. It's like you could add this song as well. So that's pretty cool if I'm doing reels. So it basically gives me 3 post ideas, and my job is to read through them. If I feel like it sounds like me, I'm like, yeah, that does actually sound like me. I will give it a thumbs up. And I'm basically teaching it like, yep, I like those ones. And if I don't like it, I'll give it a thumbs down. I can also ask it to generate an image for me, or I can use my own image, which is pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that's helpful. I'm pretty excited about it because those of you who know me know that I was pretty, let's be honest, pretty wary, pretty like, no thanks, around the AI thing. However, I now can see the benefits, and especially for a lot of people that are like, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to post. And for me, while I am very spontaneous and off the cuff with my posts, would I like them to resonate more? Yeah. Would I like more engagement on my posts? Yeah. Would I like more people to take action and work with me? Yeah. So I'm going to try it out. I'm trying it out. I literally just started today. I did my very first post using some of the suggestions about my upcoming forest retreat. So I will definitely do a follow-up video. I will share this journey with you, and I will put the links below if you want to watch the demo video. And then if you want to get your free trial, you can use my link below for that. And there is, just to be super transparent, it's an affiliate link, which means, I get some thank you commission if you use my link, if you decide that you want to become a customer too. And by the way, you can also become an affiliate, or I prefer the term ambassador. So if you decide, well, I know a few business owners who might want to use the platform, well, for free, for free as such, you can get your own affiliate link to use as well. I hope that helps. Comment below with any questions, or let us know if you've been using AI and is it working for you in your business. Would love to hear your thoughts. Until then, remember to up your brave. You can check out my website, upyourbrave.com.